Year 2. Towards the end of last week in maths, we were looking at comparing numbers. So that's what we're going to focus on in today's video. I've got two numbers here. I've got 36 and 54. I want to find out which number is less than or greater than the other number and why. We can do this by first drawing our tens and ones. In the number 36, I've got 3 tens. I'll label it up here as well. I've got 3 tens, which is the same as 30. Whoopsie. 1, 2, 3 tens. I also know that I've got 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, done. Let me do the same for my other number. Label my tens and my ones, and draw out that same tens and ones chart. In 54, I know that I've got 5 tens, 3, 4, 5, which is the same as 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I also know in 34, I've got 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Using this information here, I can see that in 54, there are more tens than in 36. There are 5 tens in 54 and 3 tens in 36. Therefore, 36 is less than 54. When we're comparing numbers, when we're comparing numbers, we look at our tens digit first and then our ones digit if the tens are the same. But in 36 and 54, there are 5 tens in 54 and 3 tens in 36. 3 tens is less than 5 tens, therefore 36 is less than 54. I'm going to give you one to try now. I'm going to give you the numbers 27 and 38. Using what we did just now, I want you to draw your tens and ones chart. Draw out your tens and your ones. And then write down the symbol in between. Is 27 less than 38, equal to 38, or greater than 38? I want you to have a go, so give the video a pause. Okay, now we're back. I hope you had a go. Let's do this together. In 27, we've got 2 tens and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And in 38, we've got 3 tens and 8 ones. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In 27, there are 2 tens, and in 38, there are 3 tens. 2 is less than 3, therefore 27 is less than 38. Okay. But what about if we have numbers that look like this? We know that when we compare numbers, we always start with the tens. We compare our tens first. But let's have a look at what happens here. I'm going to quickly draw my tens and ones chart. Okay. In 43, I've got 4 tens. And in 47, I've also got 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. When the tens digit is the same, we look at the ones. In 43, there are 3 ones. And in 47, there are 7 ones. The tens are the same. However, the ones are different. In 43, there are 3 ones, and in 47, there are 7 ones. 7 is greater than 3. 3 is less than 7. Therefore, 43 is less than 47. I'm going to give you one more to try, and then you can post your answers to Seesaw. I'd really love to see you drawing out your 10s and 1s for each one, and actually writing a sentence saying which is greater, less than, or equal to, and why. I'm going to give you the numbers 54 and 33. I want you to go ahead, fill in that symbol in the middle, draw your 10s and your 1s. Put it here just as a guide, and I'd love for you to post it on Seesaw. That's it for today, but I hope you had fun.